you just saw, today we're looking at Lego car lift, and right now we're going to go over all the features now that you see it actually work. So in this adjacent building, we have the compressor stored in this box, I guess, right here, and behind that there is a Lego Power Functions battery box, a Power Functions switch, and a power switch, and a old Lego 9-volt motor. And that 9-volt motor is used instead of a Power Functions motor because it's much more compact for the compressor. The compressor is a 5.5 stud long Lego pneumatic pump, and that powers these I think they're medium sized, just Lego pneumatic cylinders, and the valve to control them is right here. But so what to do, we'll go over how the system operates. So we'll move this out of the way. If you'd like to see more videos on either of these cars, Dodge Challenger model or the supercar back there, there is a link in the upper right hand corner of the video if you'd like to go see those videos. So put this lift down. Yeah. So right now the compressor is not activated, but because of the weight of the car on the lift, it's going down very slowly. So I'll turn the compressor on. So now it's down. And you might be wondering why the valve over here is so obvious with it and with the extended Technic connector on there. And the reason is because if you have to emergency stop something, or emergency stop the lift because the lift is so powerful, it can break itself if something gets jammed. So if we have to emergency stop it, that valve is handier on this side than it isn't somewhere in the back. Also, it required quite a bit more pneumatic tubing to actually get the valve somewhere else. It's in a very convenient position right here. And the Technic connector gives you a lot more leverage when you're moving the lever. It's already quite a stiff lever, so you need all the leverage you can get. Because if there's too much force, if you give it too much force, then this whole tower basically back here could rip out off the ground. So it's a pretty good position right here. And if we look around the back of this thing, as you can see, there's quite a few wires and cables, and just mostly cables. There's some wires here from the lighting system, which we'll go over after. So to actually activate the lift, you would activate the compressor and turn the valve, or open the valve, and it goes up pretty fast. The old 9-volt motor, like I said, it works quite well for this sort of thing. The it can lift quite a bit. It can lift basically everything from this car to my Mercedes 6x6 Mach, which you might have seen in the previous video. It can lift quite a bit of weight, and it's difficult to test anything really bigger because of this I guess arch bridge sort of thing going over the top. We'll take a closer look at that after. But yeah, it lifts the car quite well. You know, we can park another car underneath and get some car storage. The only really disadvantage with this is the Technic lift arms underneath, which have an axle going from one side to the other. That can block cars with bigger spoilers from going underneath. But with some modifications, we could make it give it quite a bit of clearance. So basically, you fit any car down there. To actually get the car off the lift, we'll put it back down. And what I've made is basically some ramps out of some tiles and plates. You can take one of these ramps and take both of these ramps and secure them to the front of this. And basically, you can tip it, and it rolls off almost off my desk, right at the edge of my desk here. So not super practical, but you know, it works. And I think a system to actually automatically release the car would be a bit complicated, as there's already so much mechanical stuff going on down there. But say we'll talk about the top, this arch up here, this bridge now. So say you were going to use this as like an entrance to an underground garage, and say you were leaving this garage, so you were to use those ramps that I just showed you. They work in reverse too. You can drive your car up on the platform. You can turn it on. So your car comes up. And basically, this screen right here would show you traffic information, what's going on inside the garage, outside the garage, and you could drive out. You do the same thing. You could drive in. You can see information inside, and then you can come down. So that's it for today's video. If you'd like to see more on this building that this lift is located in, but this lift is the first upgrade in this building to a series of upgrades, which is going to be modifying and upgrading the buildings that surround it. There are one to this side, there's another one to the other side that isn't there right now. And basically, on my channel, it's going to be a series of me renovating these buildings, basically renovating these Lego buildings, and just fixing them up. So if you'd like to see that, you can subscribe to get notified when they come out. Might have some more videos in the future showing some more upgrades to the lift. Other than that, thanks for watching. You can subscribe to like I said, subscribe to get notified more videos. Hit the like button to support the channel, and thanks for watching.